in this video we will see how to fix error code 606 and attempt to generate a security audit failed, error audit failed on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of audit failed error, then here are the fixes. The first one is right click on a start button and choose run. In run command box, type segpedit.msc, gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor in Windows 10 or 11 home edition only. Here under computer configuration, expand Windows settings. Here expand security settings and select local policies. Thereafter go to right side and apply a double click on it to open audit policy folder, and here you will find audit account logon events, audit account management, audit directory service access. Open one by one and make sure that audit these attempts is set as success, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Apply same process for all these three service: audit, account management properties. Click on success, choose apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is audit directory service access. Open it, make the check against option success and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the local group policy editor windows and check whether your login failed error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command services.msc and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. And here under available services, look for the option Windows login services. Scroll down and go to W alphabet. And you will find Windows logon services, Windows event log services. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that this services status should be a start, and set a startup type as automatic. Start it and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. Windows event log services, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here type clean manager, CLEANMGR, and click on OK. This will open disk cleanup wizard. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist, and click on OK. A new properties windows will open. Here go to files to delete section and make the check against all these options: temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, user file history, and click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Choose skip if pop-up window appear. And after that, check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here, after blinking cursor, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system, and here scroll down and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Here from the left side menu, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network temporarily, and click on OK. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on your Windows Defender Firewall antivirus. And if you have installed third party antivirus, temporarily disable it.